Hello everyone, welcome back to Security Jobs channel. My name is Shlomit and today we are going to investigate a suspicious website reading in JavaScript. We will try to break the authentication mechanism of the suspicious website and try to understand the logic implemented by the developer to protect the code. Our objectives from this workshop: first, to get the key from the website source code. Second, how does the developer protect the authentication script? Third, what is the main algorithm in the script? And fourth, identify the working password from us to get the congratulations message. Now let's choose. Okay guys, so here is the website that we are going to investigate it. As you can see, for us to pass through this website, we need to have 8 digits passcode that we'll get from the website source code. However, there's only limited passcode that will get the congratulations message. Now let's open the source code of this website by pressing F12 on the keyboard, or you can just right click and select inspect and choose the sources tab, and we get the code. So from here we can see the code, but let's beautify the code by pressing here on the curly braces. Now in this way we can arrange the code from us to easily read it. All right, so let's begin reviewing the code. Let's open the code into a Sublime Text. So let's open Sublime Text and copy the code. Let's go up. Okay. So from here we can see URL pointing to securityjobs.com, and we have obfuscated code that inside the comment section. And here we have the script section that have different functions. Let's see what our function is in the script. Okay, so here we can see interesting function: crypt decrypt, crypt car, crypt encrypt, and evil functions. Now, what are those functions? Let's have a quick review. Crypt car function is responsible for using the Security Jobs website as a key to perform the XOR operation with a decoded base64 string. Crypt encrypt function is used for encrypting data in a code. Crypt decrypt, this function decrypts the data previously encrypted by using the crypt encrypt function. And the eval function is used to evaluate expressions that result in text string or numeric value. Now let's go back to the source code and let's debug the script. Now from the source code, let's find the start and the return of the crypt car function, and we'll be adding the breakpoint to debug the line of the code. So from line 56, we see the return from the crypt car function. We'll be breakpoint here. We'll be running the script to see any result. So let's run. And we have a result. We see 2 parameters, the Security Jobs website, and here is the code that I pressed to be XOR encrypted. Now, what is XOR? XOR is type of encryption algorithm widely used in cryptography. It comprises 2 input bits and generated 1 output bit. As example, if the bits are the same, the result is 0. And if the bits are different, the result is 1. Another fact about the XOR is why it's popular in cryptography. XOR does not link information about the plain text. If I have random variable with random distribution A, and I will XOR it with another random variable with uniform distribution, then the results also have uniform distribution. Another very nice property of the XOR operation is that it's reversible. If I have message M and I will XOR it with a key K of the same length, then I will XOR it again with a K, I will end up with my original message. Now let's go back to the source code and continue with the investigate. Now from the source code, we take the information that we get from the return of the crypt car function to CyberChef. So let's go to the CyberChef. CyberChef is open source website application tool used to encrypt, encode, compress, and analyze data. So let's continue. and copy the two parameters that we got from the prepcar function. So in the output, we put the encrypted part and we choose the from base 64. And we see the output is still not readable. So let's choose the XOR operation here and add the key that is security jobs website and select to UTF-8 and we got the output. Now we see the key code script by Brett Jelema. Now let's see what we understand from the script. See here we have 4 values in the function enter code. Here we see the part from the multiplication and we have a loop. Now if the digits equal to 8 and if the value of all the 8 digits equal to number 45360, we get alerts, congratulations, you did it. And if not, we get alert, try again. Now based on the key code script by Brett Jelema, let's create a simple Python script to simplify the generation of the code. So let's create our Python script. We are starting by importing our library called seed and random integers. So from random import and seed. The seed library is for us to have starting number when it generated a random integers, and the rented library is for our random integer generator. Now let's create the variables. So hash with the value 0, mod with the value 1, digits with the value 0, and let's start with the while loop. So while 1, then another while that digits not equal to 8 and mod not equal to the number 45360. This line will set our code to have 8 digits or code, and product should be the number 45360. Now let's add another variable here. So do the math for us. It will generate random integers range from 0 to 9. So now let's add the if statement. It will count the string and the hash value to ensure that they have 8 digits from 0 to 9. And again, the product should be the number 45360. So from if learn 8, and command equals to number 0 and the digits equal to number 8. Then if the statement is true, it will print the string and the hash value in this prompt. So let's add the value from the beginning so we can copy these two variables here. And add the else statement that if the result is false, it will repeat the loop. And here we also add the value from the beginning to do the loop with the numbers. So just that if into the loop, okay, so we free to go. Let's run the script. Okay, so let's run the script. And we get a lot of options. So let's try to pick one of them and see if we can pass through the website. So let's take one of the codes and do a quick text on the website to see if we get a congratulations message. So let's take this number, the 32635743, to the website here, and let's type 32635743, and we get the congratulations message. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn in this workshop. This is our website, securityjobs.com. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.